everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since the last time I posted here. I've been busy with photography and with just being a mom and just family life in general, but and I also am tackling another venture, and that is polymer clay earring making. So this is one of the earrings that I made out of polymer clay. This is the animal print, and I will teach you a tutorial on how I make it in my future videos. But right now I'm just gonna say what I think about polymer clay. I mean, my 5-year-old daughter calls it actually a adult Play-Doh, which is, if you think about it, it is really an adult Play-Doh. So this is what a polymer clay looks like. So this is just one of it. It is Sculpey Souffle. This is one of the products or polymer clays that you can find online in the store. What you do is you can just play along with it, condition it, and then design it the way you like it. Just other things that you can imagine with polymer clay. So you can explore a lot of fields, but I am leaning more towards making earrings because I just love earrings, and it kind of adds flair to any outfits that I wear. So I just thought of sharing the same thing with you guys on how I make these earrings, and I will share more about polymer clay earrings making in this channel. So I'm incorporating two things that I love, that is making videos and also making polymer clay earrings. And I'm actually opening my shop in a couple of weeks. So if you're interested in my earrings and other stuff that I will be sharing here in this channel, then go follow my Instagram page, Hyacinth Handmade. I'm gonna link that here or show that here so you can find it on Instagram or whatsoever. And then yeah, go follow my page, and then I will be posting there more behind the scenes of the earrings that I make, or I will about to make. So yeah, so today I will be sharing to you guys the earrings that this is the knitted sweater effect, sweater design effect on one of my earrings. So this is one of them. I don't know if you can really see it clearly, but so this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna do a focused picture of it or video of it later, but yeah, it's like a knitted effect or the sweater effect on the earrings, and it is actually very good if you're planning to make earrings that is perfect for holidays or for fall or just the cold weather, because it adds more design and style to the season. So yeah, I actually use this effect in making my holiday collection, which I will be releasing in a few weeks from now. So yeah, I will just be sharing to you guys how I do this or how I did this design. Actually, I've been searching or looking through other videos on YouTube, and I found some of the knitted design that people make, and what they do is they braid the clay, which is actually pretty good. I mean, it turns out beautiful as well. But this design or this step or tutorial that I'm going to show you guys today is an easy, very easy way on how to do the knitted effect or the sweater effect or the sweater design. And it's easy, that means it's faster, and you can make more earrings this way if you're planning on selling it to other people or planning on selling it to Etsy or something like that. So yeah, I will be starting the tutorial on how I make the sweater design on polymer clay earrings. Okay, let's start with a tutorial on how I do the knitted effect, like this earring right here. So what I do is I have this leftover clay that I already conditioned, and I already did stuff to it, mix it up and mix the color and stuff like that. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna just cut a little piece of it. Just gonna do a small part of it, just cut a little piece. Then I have some glass roller here, acrylic roller, roll it out. This is gonna be the base of the earrings. this is how the knitted effect looks like. You can make it as big as you want it to be, but basically that's how it looks like, and that's like the basic stuff for it. So basically that's it, guys. It's very easy tutorial on how to do the sweater design and a polymer clay earrings. And if you're interested, go follow my page or Instagram page, Hyacinth Handmade, and I will be releasing or opening my shop in a few weeks. And also if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified every time I post new videos about polymer clay earrings like this. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.